Hi, hola. Hoy vamos a hablar de los pronombres personales. Today we're going to talk about the personal pronouns in Spanish. So, the first one, yo, that is basically I, tú for you, usted for you sir or tú, but in a formal context or for someone that you respect, like your boss or an elder, something like that. After él and ella for she or he depending of the sex. Él for masculine, ella for feminine. After we have nosotros and nosotras. We or we for girls. We use nosotros also when it's a woman and a girl, when it's a mixed group. After we have vosotros and vosotras for you guys, but this used in Spain, not in, you know, Latin America. After we have ustedes, that in Spain is only used for formal context, but is the one that we use for you guys in America. And finally, we have ellos and ellas for they. Ellos for masculine, ellas for feminine. And now, yes, the final one, vos, that is used for you, but more specific in Argentina. That's gonna be everything. If you want to see exercise about this, you can check the link and the ebook. Ciao.